Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to mass convert leads. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Salesforce does not natively support mass lead conversion via the UI. It only allows one lead to be converted at a time. However, there are several ways to convert mass leads depending on your needs and tools available. Option 1 is to use a free or paid app exchange tool. There are tools like App Exchange that let you convert leads in bulk, for example Mass Lead Converter and Lead Conversion for Salesforce, or Informatica Cloud or Demand Tools and Cloudingo. The next option is you can use Salesforce Flow. If you are comfortable with automation, you can build a screen flow or schedule flow to find unconverted leads and use the convert lead element available in Flow API and run the flow for multiple records. You can also use Data Loader plus Apex, which is the developer method as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.